to the Disco Shed. Today I'm going to walk you through a Lyre's Espresso Martini. As usual, the drink gets served in a lovely cocktail glass. We're going to go in 45ml of the Lyre's Coffee Original, and that's going to be followed up with 15ml of the Lyre's White Cane, 45ml of cold brew or very strong espresso coffee, and then we got 50ml of vanilla syrup. Then I'm going to grab the big tin and do a dry shake, which means shaking without ice, and that helps to build up the foam on top. We're then going to add in ice. Just going to fine strain this nice and quickly, and then of course grab the 3 coffee beans, which is your classic garnish. And there we have a Lyre's Espresso Martini. For more information, check out our website, mixologygroup.co.uk, and keep coming back to check out next week's videos. Cheers.